Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important step for anyone running ads: how to add a new payment method or card in your Meta or Facebook ad manager. It's quick, easy, and essential for keeping your campaigns running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First up, here are the steps you'll need. Access billing. You'll want to start by logging into your Meta or Facebook ad manager. Once you're in, look for the All Tools menu. It's usually a hamburger icon, and from there, select Billing. This is where all your financial stuff lives. Go to Payment Settings. Now on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Find and click on Payment Settings. This will take you to where you manage all your payment options. Add New Method. Inside Payment Settings, you'll clearly see a button labeled Add Payment Method. Go ahead and click that. Enter details. A new window or section will pop up, asking you to choose your payment type. This could be a credit card, PayPal, or another option. Select what works for you and then carefully fill in all the required details: your card number, expiry date, security code, and so on. Save. Once everything's entered correctly, just hit Continue or Save. And voila! Your new payment method is now linked and ready to go for your advertising campaigns. It's that simple. Keep those ads running and make sure your billing is always up to date. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.